Hi, I'm Traci Smith. I'm the author of the Faithful Families series of books. And in my books, I like to help parents and families connect through spiritual practice. Today in this video, I'm going to be talking about the practice of serving others. I know that one of the things that's important to me as a parent is sharing the love of caring for others and what it means to be someone who looks out for the interests of others. And so in this video, I'll be giving 3 different ideas for serving others. The first actually comes from my Christmas book, but I think you could do it anytime. And it's the idea of having an acts of kindness tree. So you would just make up little ornaments or paper circles, and on them write little ways that you could help others. I gave some simple ideas like holding the door open for someone, returning grocery carts in the parking lot, baking a sweet treat for a neighbor, helping a family or a friend rake leaves or do yard work or put up their Christmas lights at Christmas time. You could come up with these ideas together as a family, or you could, one person in your family could make them. And then as you do them, put them on the tree. Or you could put them all on the tree to begin with and take them off as you do them. It's just a nice visual reminder of acts of service for others. A second idea, very simple, is to take a jar and put it somewhere visible in your house that can be for money for your favorite charity. I know that we like to give items a lot of times. We like to give food and clothes and toys, but so many charities really need the money for their budgets. And so this is just a way to make that visible. You could do special jobs and have those jobs attached to money for others. And when the jar fills up, be sure to write a note and donate it to your favorite charity. The third idea is actually flipping the idea of giving on its head a little bit and reminding your family, everyone in it, that to be a good giver requires that we are good receivers as well. There's never a time, there's never a lifetime in which someone is always the giver. We're always in need at some point in our life, each of us. And so if we take the time to share that with our family members and to remind one another that sometimes we give a gift to others by allowing others to help us, it's a great way to remind our family members and remind ourselves that to be in community with one another is to give and also to receive. So thank you so much for watching. I hope that you found some inspiration in these ideas for serving others. If you'd like to follow up with me and connect with me, you can visit my website. It's tracismith.com. That's Traci with an I, -smith.com. Thanks again.